So guys, welcome back to my channel. And my picking science of series, it's come. This is my first picking science of series. And guys, you have to pick the monster trucks. All only 12 monster trucks are coming. So guys, please pick which monster truck is it's coming. First, I'm introduce which monster truck is coming. First one is the Bone Shaker, Night Shifter, Invader, Thwart Hair, Demo Derby, Shady Camaro, Hot Wheels Racing Number 1, Gangster, Twin Mill, Race Ace, Ultra Loco, and Pure Muscle. These 12 trucks are coming in Monster Trucks Picking Science of series. So guys, please pick the truck.